In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mock server in Postman. By the end, you'll have a working mock URL that returns predictable responses, perfect for front-end development, demos, or testing when your real API isn't ready. Start by opening the request you want to mock inside Postman. With that request selected, click Send to get a real response. This response is what you'll use as the basis for your mock, so make sure it's the version you want your team or tests to rely on. Once the response comes back, look at the response panel and click Save Response, then choose Save as Example. Give your example a clear name, like Default Response, and save it. This attaches the example directly to your request inside its collection. It's important to do this now because without an example saved, Postman won't show the mock options later. Next, head to the Collections tab in the left sidebar. Find the collection that contains the request you just saved an example for. Hover over that collection and click the three dots for more actions, then select Mock Collection. If you don't see that option, you can also click the New button at the top of Postman and choose Mock Server from there. Both paths open the same mock setup flow. In the mock setup, confirm you're selecting the collection that already has the example you saved. Give your mock server a name that makes sense for your project, so you can recognize it later. If you're using an environment in Postman, you can optionally choose it here so variables resolve correctly when the mock runs. You'll also decide whether the mock is public or private. Public makes it accessible to anyone with the URL, which can be handy for quick sharing. Private keeps it limited, which is usually better for sensitive workflows or internal testing. When everything looks right, click Create Mock Server. Postman will generate a mock server URL for you. This URL stands in for your real backend and will return the example responses you saved in your collection. From here on, any request defined in that collection can be called against the mock URL and will respond exactly as your example dictates, making your tests stable and your development workflow smoother. That's it. You opened a request, captured a response as an example, and created a mock server from the collection. Keep your examples up to date, name things clearly, and choose the right visibility to match your use case. Thanks for watching, and happy testing with Postman.